GIFT Nifty wavers in early action, but the good news is that it is above the flat line. Our call of the day suggests Nifty is likely to chase its winning momentum, but that does not preclude volatility. The 5 big positive catalysts. 1. India's gross GST collections have reached an all-time high of 2.37 lakh rupees crore in April. In terms of annualized growth, the pace of GST collection reached a 17-month high of 12.6% compared with 9.9% growth seen in the previous month. 2. The India's economy has delivered a stellar start to the new fiscal, as is also reflected in the rise in digital transactions, with Unified Payments Interface (UPI) transactions rose to 596 million from 590 million in the previous month, and the value of daily transactions continued to hover near the 80,000 crore rupees mark. 3. The Buy India trade is gaining momentum on backdrop of the newly optimistic FIIs camp, who were net buyers even in Wednesday's choppy trade. 4. There has been some good news on the trade tariff deals. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said we are very close on India, and that they've had substantial talks with Japan, and that the contours of a deal with South Korea are progressing as well, that could allay tariff fears and reignite the Nifty bulls. 5. Overnight, the Dow Jones clinched 8 days of straight gains at the longest winning streak since January. On the negative side, we will spy with one big eye on the rising border tensions with Pakistan. Long story short, Nifty may hold bullish tone. The global cues are positive. In Wednesday's choppy session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 51 crores, while 2 DII net bought shares to the tune of Rs 1792 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting a rebound play. FANO month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, has inched higher towards 18.22 levels. At last check, USD INR 28th May was hovering at 84.70. Nifty PCR 29th May is at 1.40 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 29th May is at 0.90. Nifty outlook, cautious optimism shall prevail. Nifty CMP to 4334. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 24,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,860 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,200 and 4500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty CMP 55087. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,175 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 56,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,700 and 55700. Bias for the day is positive. Technically, Nifty is comfortably above its 200 DMA at 24,051 mark. Well, we could see more upside even from current higher levels if there is any kind of constructive news that would indicate to de-escalate trade tensions with China. This theme would be cheered by the Nifty bulls with aggressive targets at 24,858 mark, high as on 5th December 2024. Meanwhile, all eyes will be on the US March jobs report to be wired on Friday, 2nd May 2025. Amongst stock-specific action in Wednesday's trade. 1. Trent, minus 4.06%, tumbled after it reported a 54.8% profit drop in the fourth quarter, January to March, of the financial year 2024-25, Q4 FY25, compared to the same period of FY24. The biggest positive takeaway, however, was that in Q4 FY25, the operating EBIT margin shot higher towards 9.3% up from 8.3% in Q4 FY24. 2. Bajaj Finance, minus 5%, dropped despite a 19% YoY profit rise in Q4 FY25. Blame the fall in share price to the company revising its near-term growth forecast to 24 to 25% YoY for FY26, down from the earlier target of 25 to 27%. 3. Seat, plus 9%, zoomed to its 4-month high of Rs 3,361 after the company reported a healthy operational performance for the quarter ended March 2025, with standalone net sales growing 14.6% year-on-year, YoY, at 3,414 crore rupees. Gross margins for the quarter improved by 65 bps to 37.5%. 4. Vishal Mega Mart, 10%, jumped higher on the back of an 88% increase in its profit for the quarter ended March 2025, while revenue increased 23.15% to Rs 2,547.89 crore from Rs 2,068.93 crore a year ago. 5. Exide Industries, minus 5%, fell after its Q4 results where PAT fell 10% to 255 rupees CR on higher costs. 6. Eternal Ltd, formerly Zomato, which operates food delivery platform Zomato and quick commerce firm Blinkit, reported a 78% year-on-year (YoY) decline in quarterly profit after tax (PAT) at 39 crore rupees in the fourth quarter (Q4) of financial year 2024 to 25 (FY25), down from 175 crore rupees in the same period a year ago. It had reported a PAT of 59 crore rupees in Q3 FY25. Amongst corporate India's Q4 earnings to trickle in are: Friday, 2nd May, City Union Bank, IOB, Marico. Saturday, 3rd May, DMart, Indian Bank, Kotak Bank, NETWEB Technologies, SBI.